Amit Bharadwaj is live with us. Amit, any moment now, Arvind Kejriwal is going to be leading that dharna. As he says, for 30 minutes he will be seated on the road waiting for someone to come and take the AAP leaders into custody. But from what he said, Amit, he's steering clear of the Swati Maliwal controversy.
Akshata, in fact, the march has begun. The Aam Aadmi Party netas have started to step out of the national headquarters of the Aam Aadmi Party, and there's heavy security right outside the party office itself. And Arvind Kejriwal has made it pretty clear that he's going to lead the march, number one, and that it's going to be a peaceful march. And he has also asked the AAP workers, netas, to sit in front of the barricades if the police does not allow them to move forward towards the BJP headquarters. And if the police arrest them, it's fine. Otherwise, it will be the defeat of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it's very important. You know, there was a lot of questions looming large even amongst the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal has given complete clarity on that aspect. You know, a message has been given out as to how PM is targeting. You know, he's claiming that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is directly targeting Aam Aadmi Party, as well as the Operation Jhadu has been initiated on instructions of PM Modi, under which not only the AAP leaders will be arrested, but even the accounts of the Aam Aadmi Party will be frozen as soon as the elections are over. So these are big claims made out by Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. We are getting you live visuals of the march that has begun at the Aam Aadmi Party national headquarters, and any time now you will see Arvind Kejriwal, leaving this particular gate of the AAP HQ and heading towards the Bharatiya Janata Party office, where he has in a way dared Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP to arrest his netas. Importantly, Akshata, since March we had not seen Raghav Chadha on any of the platforms of the Aam Aadmi Party, be it the protest over arrest of Sanjay Singh or protest over arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. But today he is here. He was part of the top leaders who were sitting on the stage, and in fact Arvind Kejriwal also referred to Raghav Chadha, saying that he has just returned from London, and now there are claims being made, indications being given that he could be arrested as well. So now AAP Karyakartas are moving forward, heading towards the BJP headquarters, but there's heavy barricading that has been done at the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg. We are going to continue to get you these visuals from the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. It is very important to note, Akshata, that in the election seasons, the party heads, the netas prefer to focus on the campaign. But this time around, the Aam Aadmi Party chief has decided that he will take BJP head-on in form of protest as well. Usually the political parties stay away from protests during the election season, but the conditions are so that because the PA, the closest aide of Arvind Kejriwal, the man Friday of Arvind Kejriwal, has been arrested, and that is when he decided that, he will have to take on the streets of the national capital, and he has dared PM Modi on this particular issue.
So there's no permission. There's no permission right now for this protest to take place, which is why you can expect that while Amit there is reporting from the AAP headquarters, the AAP leaders will be allowed just about to make their way out. They'll have to sit on the road right there. The BJP headquarters is right next door to the AAP headquarters, but they're not going to be allowed even close to that building. The entire area has been barricaded, and Arvind Kejriwal has said that this is going to be a peaceful march. There's going to be no attempt to overcome the barricades and make their way to the BJP headquarters. It's largely symbolic, this jail bharo protest, as the AAP has called it. Arvind Kejriwal will be seated on this dharna. He's going to be there leading scores, hundreds, it looks like, AAP leaders and workers who've gathered there, and they'll be seated for 30 minutes. He says in those 30 minutes, let the BJP come and arrest every single one of my leaders if they dare to do so. Amit raised an important point also about seeing on that stage Raghav Chadha, someone who's been missing in action, essentially, who's been in London for the last 1 month or so, came back yesterday, immediately made his way to the Chief Minister's residence, and today, seated on that stage, Kejriwal claims Raghav Chadha is next too, that he too, along with Saurabh Bharadwaj, Atishi, will be arrested very, very soon, which is why he's leading this particular protest. The messaging also, if you look at the speech made by Kejriwal, Amit, is that he believes Bibhav Kumar is innocent. He may not have said so in as many words, but he has said, look what the BJP has done. They've arrested my PA as well. So the AAP's line there of the entire Swati Maliwal controversy being a BJP fabricated story, being a BJP conspiracy, is something Kejriwal has stuck to too.
Right, Akshata, there were a lot of questions amongst the workers of Aam Aadmi Party, be it in Delhi or outside the national capital, because Swati Maliwal is not an unknown face. She has been a part of the governance in the Delhi in a completely different manner. That she was DCW chief for 2 times. She has been close aide of Arvind Kejriwal during the PCRF and Parivartan days. So when this news came in, there was a lot of confusion in the AAP Karyakartas as well. And that is why, if you note the way Arvind Kejriwal, had carved out his speech, it was a clear messaging to the AAP workers. He referred to the Prime Minister's speech during the Punjab election, saying that the PM had gone on public in Abhor rally in Punjab, saying that Arvind Kejriwal is a Khalistani, and if Aam Aadmi Party wins the Punjab polls, Aam Aadmi Party will form a different different country called Khalistan. And Arvind Kejriwal said that, look, the PM lied ahead of the polling in Punjab, and even 2 years later, that lie, there's no action on the claims that were made. And the BJP could, stoop to any level. Right there, Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party is heading towards the barricade. So one of the top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party is already out and he is heading towards the barricades. He's the one who had made...
जितनी कोशिश मोदी जी करेंगे उतना हम लोग मजबूत होंगे. सारी कोशिशें उन्होंने कर ली. 10 साल में इस पार्टी को खत्म करने की. हमारी पार्टी और मजबूत होती है. मोदी जी से मैं कहना चाहता हूं, अगर कंपटीशन करना है केजरीवाल से तो स्कूल बनाने में करो, अस्पताल बनाने में करो, माताओं बहनों को सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराने में करो, बस की यात्रा फ्री कराने में कंपटीशन करो, बुजुर्गों को तीर्थ यात्रा कराने में कंपटीशन करो.
लेकिन आपने ही कहा था कि स्वाति के साथ अभद्रता हुई, अब पार्टी ने स्टैंड बदल लिया.
देखिए उस वक्त तक जो वीडियो अभी आया है वो वीडियो नहीं आया था. सारे तथ्य अब सामने आ गए.
तो क्या आप लोग इंटरनल कमेटी बना के इसकी जांच कराना चाहते हैं आइडियल कंडीशन में?
देखिए अब तो मामला न्यायालय में है और पुलिस में शिकायत है, जांच होने दीजिए.
आप भी मानते हैं स्वाति बीजेपी की पॉन है उनकी?
मैं कह रहा हूं अब जांच होने दीजिए.
ठीक है. So right there, Arvind Kejriwal is one of the closest aide, number 2 of Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh. Speaking to India Today, I asked him these questions. There were a lot of questions as to about the press conference of Sanjay Singh, where he had said that some sort of misbehavior had happened with Swati Maliwal, and that was done by Bibhav Kumar. So I asked him direct questions that you were the one who had made that claim, and after that, the Aam Aadmi Party had changed its stance, and Sanjay Singh is saying that by then I had no knowledge of the other side of the story. I had not seen the other side of the story. I had not seen the video from the other side either. But now the facts have come to the fore, and everything has taken a legal shape. That's what Sanjay Singh told me, and he's saying that every fact is out in the open. And now Sanjay Singh has already reached the barricades of where the Delhi police has put up a heavy security in order to stop AAP Karyakartas from reaching the BJP headquarters. And anytime now, you will see Arvind Kejriwal also stepping out and carrying out that peaceful march towards the BJP headquarters. And the message is that he's claiming that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is running Operation Jhadu to crush Aam Aadmi Party, to finish off Aam Aadmi Party. And today he'll be heading towards the BJP headquarters, daring PM Modi to arrest every AAP Neta. And he said that all AAP Netas will sit in front of the barricades and they will wait till the moment they don't get arrested. So a line is also, human chain is also being formed. Sanjay Singh is actually taking care of that entire system that is being put by AAP Karyakartas. This is a human chain that's being formed. A gallery safe passage for Arvind Kejriwal's movement. And this is, you can say...
okay, just look at those images on our screens. Amit, we're beaming now images of the massive security that's been deployed there. Rapid Action Force personnel present on ground. You've got a huge contingent of the Delhi police. We understand the CRPF too has been brought in to ensure that these AAP workers don't manage to go beyond the barricading. Remember, the model code of conduct is in place. Protests like this are not allowed, which is why you see this kind of security deployment. Arvind Kejriwal himself is going to be leading that protest, but he's made it very clear that they will abide by whatever instructions the security personnel gives them. And at this point, as Amit is reporting for us, you're seeing the senior AAP leadership making their way out. So far, Arvind Kejriwal hasn't come out, isn't leading the dharna just yet, but he's expected to come out at any second now to lead this symbolic dharna. Important update also with regards to what Sanjay Singh told Amit. He was asked specifically by Amit there about what he said a few days ago when he referred to this particular case and said that yes, there's been an assault that took place at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence, and yes, we will ensure an internal inquiry. He claims he made that comment without knowing about the full story, without knowing about the other version or of the videos that the AAP has released there after snippets from the May 13 incident, which shows Swati Maliwal talking rudely to the CM staff, abusing them, and then being walked out where she's walking just fine. So the AAP is saying she wasn't injured. Then what's happened now? Sanjay Singh at that point also, when asked by Amit about whether he believes Swati Maliwal is a BJP agent, didn't really go ahead and say it like Atishi has. Instead said that this is now being investigated. Let the investigation move forward. I'll bring in Amit once again on this broadcast, but before that, a quick update from Piyush Mishra, who's joining us live from the BJP headquarters. That's the intended dharna site of the Aam Aadmi Party. It's heavily barricaded now. Piyush, looks unlikely that the security personnel there will allow anyone to come through. Piyush? All right, apologies. We'll connect with Piyush in just a bit to get you that ground report from the BJP headquarters. Massive security, as you see on the left of your screens. On the right of your screens are images from just moments ago where you had Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on stage there along with the senior AAP leadership. You see on his right Sanjay Singh, who's out on bail himself, Raghav Chadha, who's just returned from London and has been part of the stir now. According to Kejriwal, Raghav Chadha's next. He's going to be arrested too because he's returned from London. So these are the images that are coming in right now of the mega AAP protest. Arvind Kejriwal saying that for 30 minutes, he and the entire AAP leadership, hundreds, by the way, who've gathered there at the AAP headquarters, will sit on the road, will be seated in a dharna. He says if the BJP dares, let them come and arrest all of us in one go. He's in fact said that there's an Operation Jhadu in place that's been triggered, launched by the BJP to wipe out AAP from the country. Now, as we get you all these updates and these images of the preparations underway on the left of your screens by security personnel, if things go out of hand, we're also going to be getting you the latest updates on how AAP is gearing up for that mega protest. Several of them have already gathered for the dharna. We're standing by for images of Arvind Kejriwal also on the streets of the capital.